Check out this Ford 2007 Super Duty F-250 XLT Extended Cab Pickup. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: Advanced Security Group, FX4 Off-Road Package, Order Code 607A, Skid Plate Package, TowCommand System, 4x4 Electronic Shift on the Fly, 4 speakers, AM/FM radio and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.